Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to bring you guys another product review. Before I get started, I want to go ahead and thank Peter for sending me this 24 pocket file organizer. Now, this really isn't seen as a kitchen related product, but I am a student, so this is really going to come in handy for me. And I'm also going to share with you guys on how you could use this in your kitchen. So before we get started, let me thank Peter once again for sending me this awesome product. I've loved all his products that he sent me so far. And the link to this product will be in my description box down below. I took the file organizer out of its packaging and I wanted to show you guys that it comes with a sheet of stickers here, and these are little stickers that'll just fit right onto the tabs that you see up top here, and this way you could just write whatever you wanted on them. So if you were organizing your schoolwork like I'm gonna do, or if you were organizing paperwork such as bank stuff or anything like that, you could go ahead and write whatever you want on these and go ahead and stick them on the little tabs. So that's one option, and then you have another option here. They have these other little tabs with the months of the year. So if you were organizing things that had to do with, you know, the months of the year or different times and stuff, you could go ahead and use these months. They also have alphabetized tabs. They have A, B, all the letters of the alphabet, and you could just go ahead and easily rip them off and stick them inside the little tabs here. So the tabs, they have pockets in them, so if you wanted to, you could stick these in. Or if you wanted to, you could go ahead and write down your own label and stick them directly on top of your little tabs here. So I'm going to be using this for my schoolwork because to me organization is everything in school. So I'm going to go ahead and be using this to help me be organized. And it does stretch out, so I'll be able to fit a lot in here. And obviously if you're an adult and you wanted to put like personal paperwork in there, you could. If you wanted to use this at your desk at work, you could go ahead and use this also. And that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this product review. I really want to thank Peter once again for sending me this awesome product. I cannot wait to put this to use. The link to this product will be in the description box down below. Please go ahead and check it out and purchase it if you are interested, and let me know how it turns out for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done so. And please comment down below on what you guys would like me to make next. Once again, thanks for watching everyone.